Today's presentation focuses on sales cycle and how it supports structured selling within an organization. The sales cycle outlines the complete journey from identifying a potential customer to closing the sale and maintaining the relationship. A clearly defined sales cycle helps organizations improve efficiency, transparency, and revenue predictability. So, today's agenda is introduction to sales cycle, importance of sales cycle, overview of sales cycle stages, prospecting and leading generation, initial contact with customers, needs assessment and requirements analysis, presentation of product or services, handling customer objectives, negotiation and pricing decision. Post sales follow up and customer retention, role of CRM in the sales cycle, benefits of an effective sales cycle, conclusion and takeaways. So let's start with the introduction to sales cycle. The sales cycle is a systematic approach used by sales team to manage customer interaction. It ensures that every prospect is handled consistently and professionally. By following a defined process, organization reduce uncertainty and improve overall sales performance. Importance of sales cycle. The sales cycle is important because it provides structure and clarity to sales operation. It helps the sales team understand what actions are required at each stage. From a management perspective, it supports better forecasting, performance tracking, and strategic planning. Overview of sales cycle stages. The sales cycle is divided into multiple stages, each representing a critical sale activity. These stages allow organization to track where each prospect stands in the pipeline. The visibility help management identifying bottleneck and optimize the sales process. Prospecting and leading generation. Prospecting is the foundation of sales cycle. It involves identifying potential customer who may benefit from the company's product or services. Effective lead generation ensure that sales efforts are focused on high quality prospects, saving time and resources. Initial contact with customers. Initial contact is the first formal interaction with prospect. The goal is to introduce the organization and establish professional communication. A strong first impression builds credibility and opens the door for further discussions. Needs assessment and requirements analysis. At this stage, the focus shifts to understanding the customer business needs. Sales representative ask target questions to identify challenges and expectations. Accurate needs assessment ensure that the proposed solution is relevant and value driven. Presentation of product or services. Based on the customer requirements, the appropriate product or service is presented. The presentation highlights benefits, value, and alignment with customers' needs. The emphasis is not just on feature but on solving the customer specific problem. Handling customer objections. Customer objections are a natural part of sales process. These may relate to pricing, functionality, or implementation concern. Addressing objections professionally strengthens trust and reassure the customer. Negotiation and price discussion. Negotiation involve discussing pricing terms and contractual conditions. The objective is to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Effective negotiation balance customer expectations with company policies and profitability. Post sales, follow up, and customer retention. The sales process continue even after the deal is closed. Post sale follow up ensure customer satisfaction and smooth implementation. Strong follow up help retain customer and encourage long term partnerships. Role of CRM in sales cycle. CRM is customer relationship management, track all customer interactions. CRM system plays a critical role in managing the sales cycle. They centralize customer data, track interaction, and monitor progress. CRM improves coordination, accountability, and data driven decision making. Benefit of an effective sales cycle. An effective sales cycle increases operational efficiency and productivity. It improves customer experience and conversion rates. Ultimately, it supports consistent revenue growth and business sustainability. Promote consistency and accountability across the sales team. Conclusion and key takeaways. In conclusion, the sales cycle is essential for structured and successful selling. Each stage contributes to build trust, value, and long term relationships. Continuous monitoring and improvement of the sales cycle are a key to competitive advantages. So that's all. Thank you.